I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to give you an overview of the new Jones Interiors Sencillo curtain track. The Sencillo curtain track is a sleek, flat-faced metal profile enhanced by a bespoke handcrafted wood panel that goes in the front of the track for a modern and contemporary look. The curtain track is available as a hand-drawn operation or corded, and is available in a range of colours from some traditional hues and tones to more contemporary modern colours as well. So the colours that I've got to show you here, this is the Tusk colourway, and this is the light oak. And also in the range is alabaster, which is a white finish, black, dark dove grey, and there's the light oak that I've got here and an oak, sand, truffle, and then the tusk. But please do see the website for the full colour portfolio. The hand-drawn curtain track is available up to 400 centimetres in length and can be set up for a pair of curtains or a single curtain stacking on the left or the right. All of these curtain tracks are cut to your exact size, so for a bespoke made-to-measure finish. The corded curtain track is only available up to a 360 length. And I've just got one to show you here. So this is the corded operation, again, can be set up for a pair or a single curtain. The curtain tracks can be wall or ceiling mounted. I'm just going to show you the brackets now. So this is the lovely, sort of beautiful styled satin silver wall mounted bracket. So I'll just show you from different angles. And a nice discreet, so the back plate fixes to the wall and then the bracket fixes over that, so you don't see any of the screws from the front. And then there's a little screw that attaches the bracket to the track at the top. And then for a ceiling fix option, it's a plate style bracket that just fixes into the track, and then you just screw through the hole at the back into your ceiling. So nice and discreet top fix option. The curtain tracks are available with standard or 8 cm link gliders in the hand-drawn option. So the 8 cm link gliders make the tracks compatible with 80mm wave curtains. The corded tracks are only available with standard gliders, so they're only suitable for headed or pinch pleat curtains. You couldn't hang a wave on the corded track. The track is also available in any colour, so we can paint the wood panelling to any colour of your choice. So you can specify a paint brand and the colour, and then your track will be colour matched to your requirements. If you've got any questions or need any help and advice with your purchase, please do get in touch. Please call us on 01590 615 775 or email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and a member of the team would be delighted to help. Please subscribe to our website to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.